morning. My name is Harshit Somani and I am from the Narayana South City 2 branch, and my today's topic is product of whole number and fraction. Before starting any topic, we should first know its meaning. So, as you can see, there are three keywords: product, whole number and fraction. I'll first start telling you about whole numbers. Before knowing about whole numbers, we should know that they come under number system. So, we'll start with number system first. Now, the first topic of number system is natural numbers. These are the positive numbers starting from 1 and goes till infinite, like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And the second topic is whole numbers. The natural numbers including 0 is known as whole numbers. They start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, what if we include the negatives of natural number in these whole numbers? We will get integers. Integers are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And now I am going to show you a number line. In this, starting from 1 and goes till 5, these are all natural numbers. And if we include 0 in these, we get whole number. And now if we include the negatives and goes till here, we get the integers. Now let's start with fractions. Fractions. नहीं मैम फ्रैक्शन से सर आप वापस कर लोगे मैम फ्रैक्शन Now, I am going to explain you about fractions. Fractions are a part of a whole or a group, like 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 8, 5 by 8, there are many of them. Now, maths is all dependent on real life. So, let's take some real life example. First example, suppose you went to a birthday party, you surely would have had cake there. Suppose the cake was divided into 4 equal halves and you were given 1 half out of it. So, you will say, I ate 1 by 4 of the cake. Second example, I had 1 by 2 of a cloth. So, you will say, I had a half of the cloth. Third example, I ate 1 by 8 of a pizza. So, you will say, I was given 8 pieces and I ate 1 out of them. Fourth example, I had 1 and a half of ribbon. So, in this, you will say that I had 1 ribbon plus and half ribbon. Now, let's start with product. Product of two whole numbers. To multiply two whole numbers, you just need to multiply and use tables like 2 into 4 is equals to 8, 7 into 6 is equals to 42 and 3 into 6 is equals to 18. Now product of two fractions. To multiply two fractions, we have to multiply the numerators, which are these two, and the denominators, which are these two. Now let's multiply. 1 into 4 is equals to 4 and 2 into 1 is equals to 2. With this we know that product of two fractions. Now let's move to our main topic, which is product of a whole number and a proper fraction. Now let me tell you about the proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Now let's get to multiplication. Now as I told you in fractions that we have to multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, but in this case it does not have a denominator. So we will assume just 1 as the denominator of 5. So now we have numerators as well as denominators. So we will simply just multiply it. 5 into 8 is equal to 40 and 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Now let's move to product of a whole number and an improper fraction. Difference between improper and proper is that proper have numerator lesser than denominator, but in improper the numerator is greater than the denominator. Let's start the multiplication. As I told you, in proper fraction, we have to add 1 as the denominator of the whole number. We will do the same as in this case also. 5 into 2 is equal to 10 and 3 into 1 is equal to 3. By this method you can obtain your answer. Now let's move to product of whole number and a mixed fraction. Delete कर दी नहीं मैम, ये देखो मैम, उसके अंदर 14 3/6 आ रहा है. लास्ट टाइम पे क्यों नहीं आया? Now we will start from product of whole number and a mixed fraction. In this case, we have 4 2 by 3 as the mixed fraction. In this, we have a whole number and a proper fraction, and 6 as the whole number. Now, to multiply this, we have one extra step, which is to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. How do we do that? Now, let me tell you. To convert it, we shall multiply 4 into 3, which is whole number, into denominator, which is 4 into 3, which is equals to 12. And then we will add the numerator. 12 plus 2 is equals to 14. And now 4 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3, and we will keep the denominator as 3. So 14 by 3 into 6. Now we have an improper fraction and a whole number. As I told you how to do this, we'll assume 1 as the denominator, and then we'll simply multiply it. See, 14 into 6 is equal to 84, and 3 into 1 is equal to 3. By this method, you can obtain your answer with a mixed fraction and a whole number. Thank you. Thank you, Narayana, for giving me this such good opportunity.